today I'm making a slime video, and ignore that conversations in the back in the background because that's just my cousin and my sister being crazy again. You should watch My Cousin Is Crazy, that video, because he really is, and you should see it. So I'm playing with my Flarp, and I'm just gonna show you guys what this Flarp is all about. So this stuff I added a lot of water to. It's like so soft. Look how cool it is. It's so stretchy. Like, if you just hold it like this, it stretches. Like, you can see it. You can see it. Stretch it. Stretch it. Oh, I can show you. My sister, she was being crazy with my cousin, so yeah, I already told you that. Oh, this thing also makes bubbles kind of when you, see, bubbles. It makes bubbles when you, like, play with it. So sticky. Anyways, yeah, bye! Get Flarp at the dollar store because it's awesome.